This is Paranormal Short Session 5 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Thursday, the 6th of July, 2023. I may have said the 7th on some of my promos. Depending on the time, we might get there, but I thought it was later, but it's actually earlier than what I thought. So, today is definitely Thursday, the 6th of July 2023. I'm trying to compare using a C5 thermal camera the temperature of the alarm clock, which is a little over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with the temperature of a LED light here. It kind of seems like it's lower. Keeps moving on me. So, someone had said it may be the LED lettering on the red letters there on the alarm clock that was causing it to get so hot, and that was why I was picking up, the temperature of over 90 with my thermal imager. It's like 94.1 degrees Fahrenheit, 92 and 91. We go up here to the LED lights. Where are they at? See. Find them here. They're not that warm. 87, 89, 83, close to 90, but not quite. So, I'm used to working in the dark, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this light off and recover in the dark. Alright, that's the C5 thermal imager on the, pretty much the crosshairs are centered on the middle area that's almost like a really light yellow. As you go out from there in a circular motion, it's going to be yellow to orange, a little orange, and then a larger pink area before you get to the, I guess you say purple or blue areas from the alarm clock. So you can see it's like 95, 94.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So stays pretty consistent in the center. Now if you move out here to the pink where the crosshairs are, it's like 88.7, 88.2. You move off of the alarm clock and it's 88.3, 83.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Excuse me, that was me coughing. Back to the center, the really whitish yellow light, 95.9. So 96, 95.7 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. That's going to be it for the thermal imager tonight, or the C5 thermal camera. I brought with me my recorder, and I'm going to attempt to feel my way around in the dark. See if I can not do that. Yeah, my question for the ghosts and the spirits are, how many ghosts of spirits are actually inhabiting in my digital alarm clock. How many ghosts or spirits are inhabiting or living within my digital alarm clock? How many ghosts or spirits are inhabiting or living within my digital alarm clock? I'm not sure whether that sound was me reaching around trying to turn it off or record. I'm not sure. But it seemed like I was recording, so. But I did reach around. Could have been my thumb rubbing against a recorder to play it back. Are there any ghosts or spirits near my digital alarm clock? Are there any ghosts or spirits near my digital alarm clock? No, well, the second time I didn't really rub around. I was right on the money for playing it back and all, so I don't know what all that scratching stuff is. All right, my next question is going to be you all enjoy talking to Keith Evans? Do you all enjoy talking to Keith Evans? Do you all enjoy talking to Keith Evans? That was probably me trying to find a button to replay it. I don't think that's paranormal. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name? is Keith Evans. What is your name? Now, the scratching sound right before I turned it off may have been my thumb, but that other scratching sound right after I turned it on was definitely not my thumb because you could see my thumb out to the side. You can see my thumb with the 1109 or maybe 1108 in the background. Huh, that's interesting. All right, I'm gonna just continue with the EVP, the recorder, and check in on the millimeter, which is steady at 52.9 milligauss and 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a warm night in here. I do not have the AC on. I don't want it to interfere with the readings. The ceiling fan is on, I'll give you that. And it kind of makes a little bit of noise. I don't think my audio on the video recorder is sensitive enough to pick it up. Okay, 53.9 milligauss, 54.0 milligauss, 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's 80.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Staying pretty calm. All right. My question for the ghosts and spirits tonight: what is your name? That's the first question. Second question will be: how many ghosts and spirits are living within my digital alarm clock? So,
discernment, different, failed, George.
Hey, George. Nice to meet you, George.
Malign, hat.
Meline. Is Meline a name? It could be. Meline. Hello, Meline, if that is a name. Hat could be a last name. Revoked. For the ghosts and spirits that are just tuning in, my name is Keith Evans, and I put the entirety of my paranormal short sessions on my YouTube channel called Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. Modern Straight. I also place promos on Facebook and Instagram. So if you're a ghost or spirit and you don't want to be on those electronic medias, and don't choose any words from the Ominous Five or don't materialize or anything like that.
Possibly.
Hidden dash possibly. Who? Kite. I get KITE a lot. Unholy, unclear. Well, I'm not unholy, but I guess you can have your own opinion. Hi, Bunny. I think Bunny's a name. Bunny. Hello, Bunny. My name is Keith Evans. Letter R. Is that your initial? Hello, initial R. My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you.
Scan. Month.
Hi, Mary. Nice to meet you. Keith Evans.
Appellate. Caress. Grind. Beast. Drive.
Well, I've gotten a few names so far, which is always nice. Mary, Bunny, and George.
Feel.
So you're saying the beast is driving in the field. Well, I guess if that's what the beast likes to do.
Skip.
Skip. Now, Skip could be a name. Hi, Skip. Nice to meet you. My name is Keith Evans.
September. Interrupt. Equal. Tim. Intent.
Nice to meet you, Tim.
Running. Hood.
Tim, how long have you been
Plane.
living inside of my alarm clock? Is that Hood,
Solstice.
Plane?
Earth.
Beth. Hello, Beth. My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you. Is that Bill?
Hour.
Hello, Bill. Nice to meet you.
Eye. Console. Shoes. Wound.
Well, getting a few names. That's always nice.
Square. Real. Rhythm. Done.
Are you done?
Ever. Easy.
Well, it's always nice to talk to the ghosts and spirits, hear what they have to say. I think there's so many chiming in now that I'm getting bits and pieces of what they would like to say. But I would like to reiterate, please, ghosts and spirits, if you're here, I'm only asking for two questions tonight since there might be many of you here trying to utilize the Obelisk 5B with your energy. Please only give me your name or the number of ghosts or spirits that you know of being in my digital alarm clock. Love cycle already low. Chain or cane. Chain. Well, the last couple of days have been very, very warm. Global warming is taking place. It's changing our climate, and I hope everyone will do their part in conserving
Skill.
the amount of
Fight. Train. Not. Place.
carbon emissions that are put into the atmosphere.
Harry.
Hey, Harry. Nice to meet you. I'm Keith Evans.
Sell.
Is it trimmer? Cell? Well, I noticed that if I stop at 20 minutes, I usually get more people watching. If I go to 30, I get less people. So I don't think I'm going to go too much over 20 minutes. So if you have a name or a number of people that are in the digital alarm clock, tell me that now. No, I don't need any other words other than your name and the number of people that are in the digital alarm clock.
Lemon. Road.
Actually, I'm attempting to turn it off. Down here in the right corner is the house. If it don't want to turn off and the ghost want to say more, I can press and press and it won't turn off. So let's try another finger. All right, ghost spirits, let me turn off the Obelisk 5B. Well, you turn it off then if you won't let me turn it off. How about that? Yeah. Seems like equipment failures go along with the paranormal research. Yeah, I should try the left hand. Alright, I'll try the left hand.
Jack.
Hey, Jack.
As. Hat. Scared.
Got hat again. Oh, nobody's scared. But it'd be nice if you could just turn the Obelisk 5 off, since you're not allowing me to. Left hand. I've worked with the left hand. Wonderful. So if the ghost won't let you turn it off with your right hand, use your left hand. That wasn't paranormal. That was me coughing. Anyway, I appreciate you joining me for the paranormal short session 5 here at the digital alarm clock. Today is Thursday, the 6th of July 2023. And I appreciate everyone's support, everyone who likes my Facebook and my Instagram promos that I put up. And thank you, everyone who's purchased my book and read my book, The Hayes House Ghost People 2. Paperback is online where good books are sold, and the ebook is on Kindle. Paperback is usually about $23 plus tax and shipping. Ebook is supposed to be $2.99 on Kindle, $2.99. The book is 340 pages, so it's about the size of 4 of your 100-page books. So check it out, and thanks again for all your support. Have a good night. Bye-bye.